Good morning, boys and girls. Remember yesterday we talked about things that are heavy and light. We're going to talk more about that today, okay? Have any of you ever been to the playground and been on one of these things? It's called a seesaw. Have you ever been on one? Sometimes my daughters ask me to go on with them. And you know what happens when I go on with my daughters? I go way down to the bottom and they go way up. Do you know why? It's because I'm heavier than them. Whoever's heavier on a seesaw goes to the bottom, and the person who's lighter goes to the top. Whichever one weighs more is at the bottom, and the one that weighs less is on top. The lighter person goes up. Just like this. Look at, here's an elephant and an ant on a seesaw. Which one weighs more? An elephant, right? They're big and heavy. They're huge animals. If an elephant and an ant got on a seesaw, which one weighs more? Right, the elephant. He weighs more. He'd be down at the bottom. And the ant is really light. You could hold it in your hand. And an ant will go to the top because it's lighter. The elephant's heavy and the ant is light. Let's take a look at some of these heavy things. We got, these are weights. Maybe your mom and dad use them to exercise, get their muscles stronger. Weights can be really heavy. Here's an elephant. Elephants are heavy, right? We can't hold them in our hands. A tractor trailer truck, they're very heavy. This is the blue whale. He'd be very heavy. Here's some things that are light. A butterfly is light, right? You could hold one in your hand if you were lucky enough to catch one. A feather, a leaf, a little roly-poly bug, a balloon, an airplane, or a paper airplane. Can you see that? A paper airplane. Those things are all light. We could hold them easily in our hands. Let's take a look. Whoop. Come on. Look at, here's two things. They're on a scale. Seesaws are what you play on at the playground, but we could use things, if you were in the classroom, I'd show you, we have a scale, and we could put two things on either end to see which one's heavy and which one's light. If we put a desk on one end and balloons on the other, which one is light? Say it out loud. Which one's light? It'd be the one that's up. Right, the balloons are light. Good job, friends. Let's try another one. So we got a rubber duck. Can you see this? And a police car. Which one's heavy? Is the rubber duck heavy or is the police car heavy? You say it out loud. Right, the police car's heavy. That one went way down to the bottom on this scale. They're heavy. Car, you couldn't even put it in your hands. Oh, here's another one. We got to figure out which one's lighter. We have a butterfly and a cow. Remember, the one that's light is going to be up at the top. Which one's light? Which one could you hold in your hand? Good job, friends. It's the butterfly. Good job. How about this one? Now, oh, we've had this picture before, but now I'm going to ask which one's light. We have the rubber duck and the police car again. But remember, this time I want to know what's light. Which one weighs less? Say it out loud. You're right, the rubber duck. The rubber duck weighs less. Let me keep going. Whoops. Oh, now we have an elephant and a feather. Which one of these is light? You could hold it in your hand. It's higher on the scale. Which one is it? The elephant or the feather? Say it out loud. Which one's light? The feather. The feather is light. Let's see. How about this one? Oh, I got a teddy bear and a boat. Which one's heavy? The teddy bear or the boat? Say it out loud. Good job, friends. The boat is heavy, right? We could have picked one up. Sometimes it's a little harder to tell. That's when we'd really use a scale in the classroom to see which one's heavier, because sometimes it is hard to tell. Some of them weigh kind of similar. We have a leaf and an eraser. Which one does it say is light? Right, the leaf is lighter than the eraser, but they're both small. I could put both in my hand and easily hold them, but one of them is lighter than the other. It's the leaf. The leaf weighs less than the eraser. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I'm having trouble here. All right, we have the desk and the balloons. It wants to know which one's heavy, which one weighs more. Does the desk weigh more or the balloons weigh more? Say it out loud. Good job, the desk. The desk weighs more. It's at the bottom of the scale. All right, friends. Today, you're gonna go on a little hunt around your house using the seesaw and the camera on your iPad. And I want you to take a picture of something that's heavy and something that's light. I can't wait to see what you find. It was fun to see what you guys picked out that was big and small. Can't wait to find out what you find around your house that's heavy and light. Do any of you guys have elephants in your house? No? Okay. I was kind of hoping maybe I'd see an elephant. I can't wait to see what you find that's heavy and light. All right, bye friends. Oh, one more thing. So when you after you watch the video, go do the seesaw, and then there's a number practice page to practice number 2 in your packet. Okay, friends? I hope you have a super good day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.